everyone, today we're opening up Edward. As you see, the track says Edward, and the picture has a picture of him.
Anyway, have a merry spring.
Yeah, there's only one more day until Easter Sunday.
I know.
Well, 2 more sleeps. Huh? Look at that!
Easter sloth.
How did you make that?
Puppy, dog, and a sloth.
It's not really opening up. Hey, it was just out the package onto the floor. Let's put him back on the table again. And look, the cards just moved somewhere else, which I didn't really know. So, this is Edward's package. But this is Edward number 2.
Look at Edward. See him? See him? He has blue wheels. He's just like Thomas. No, he fell on the floor.
Well, what? He's even bigger.
Are you sure?
Yeah, actually, he's the size of Thomas. Well, I do see that he looks cool. Do you know that? Edward looks cool from his face. He's Ivy. What? Do you think Edward looks cool with his face and the dog has metal?
Yeah.
Well, Toby doesn't even come with a carriage. It's numbered like Edward. I think Toby is Edward's best friend. But he's coming. Looks quite big in screen 1. Head close to him. He's a bit small and he's out of screen. Just look at his face. And just look at his side. So today's just a half day. This is how Edward looks like out of the package. His wheels can move too.
That
Breakfast?
I'm making breakfast.
Okay, Bob. I'll leave you to that.
What's that, Daddy?
I'll leave you to that. So, we're back at the table. So, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. And goodbye.